Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. Today I'm presenting how to cut bob haircut and with different styles like pixie, graduate, big C, wolf, inverted, layered, pixie layered, big C layered, graduate with layered, and different haircut ideas with short haircut, with chin length, with shoulder length, with long length, and with short length as well. So let's start the video. I hope you all are well, doing good and great. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel. And I hope so you are watching my video with good health, good mind, and good mood. God bless you all. So let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way you can get all new notifications of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily by subscribing it. And don't forget to like my video as well. If you do subscribe my channel, then you will receive daily my beautiful new latest videos about the cutting and about the latest fashion of bob haircut ideas that I share to my channel according to your taste, according to the fashion, according to the trend. Well, you watch my video, you will enjoy the cutting of short haircut, and you can also learn how to cut short bob haircut with different styles, and also you can get your favorite haircut and hairstyle ideas that I share to my channel in my bob haircut videos. I often make video on cutting and how to style the bob haircut, and also how to style them. You can see in the video how beautifully girls are carrying these hairstyles with beautiful haircut ideas. You can select your favorite one haircut and hairstyle idea from my video according to your hair texture, according to your face shape as well, and according to your desired length. Well, I share all the type of hairs and hairstyles in this video and all my videos. My video will solve your problem that how to cut and style the bob haircut. I explain and share the ideas that how to style the short haircut and bob haircut, and also solve the problem that what kind of hair color, hairstyle and haircut you can choose for yourself. I hope you guys like my video today. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and you can also share your ideas that what kind of videos you want to watch next. Well, I am sharing these all hairstyle ideas and haircut ideas and how to cut and how to style short haircut and bob haircut in this video. After getting these haircut, you will be ready to go anywhere anytime, like kitty parties, get-togethers, functions. You can go to reception, you can go to